Do you find you're always being asked by customers whether you do any other services other than window cleaning, or are you thinking of adding services? Well, in this video I'm going to talk about adding services to your window cleaning to help boost your income. When I first started getting into window cleaning, I did a lot of research and I found that other window cleaners did other services, and popular ones were clearing out the gutters or cleaning the fascia, soffits and gutters. So I decided to go for this straight away from day one, and also cleaning conservatory roofs. So when I got my van and all my kit installed inside it, I got it booked in as soon as I could to be sign written. So I had all these services put on the side of my van, and I also had to make sure that I went out and got all the equipment so if anyone asked me for any of these extra services, I could do them. The handy thing about having all your services on a sign written van is when you're window cleaning, it jogs their memory and it leads to questions being asked, which then turn into other jobs that will help boost your income. And these jobs will lead on to other jobs because neighbours or passers-by walking their dogs, etc. You'll catch their eye, it'll jog their memory, and they'll probably come along and ask for a business card or even take a picture of your van to get your details to give you a ring. If you're water-fed pole, one of the quickest and easiest add-on services that you could provide would be cleaning the fascias, soffits and gutters and all the gable ends around buildings, because all you're going to do is use equipment you've already got, which is obviously your water-fed pole, and you've got the pure water. If you're starting out and you're worried about using up all your pure water, if you've got a trolley system or something like a gardener's backpack, you could use these and use the customer's tap water. This saves your pure water for the window cleaning. Another good service to add on is gutter clearing. Guaranteed you'll be asked this one by your customers. All you have to do is look at my video that I'll just stick in a card above here on what you need to do to start gutter clearing. But basically you just need to go and get yourself a ladder, something to make it stable and more versatile like a ladder stay, a pole like a Harris pole or trad pole, some pro gutter tools to go on the end, a bucket, something to hang the bucket on the ladder with, and you're ready to go. As you start doing more of these add-on services and boosting your income, you'll be able to upgrade your kit and your equipment with different tools that make the job a lot easier. Another add-on service that I went for was conservatory roof cleaning. Because I've already had the water-fed pole equipment, all I needed was a good tall enough step ladder to help me clean conservatory roofs. Now these roofs, obviously you could be asked for a quick go over, or you're talking about a really deep clean and getting the thing looking like it's brand new. So you're going to have to learn how to price accordingly for these ones. When I first started window cleaning, I started from 0 customers. As I started to get some, if I got asked to do any add-on services, I'd pretty much do them there and then once I've done the quote and they're happy with it, because I had the time to do it. And I found this greatly increased my income because I hardly had any customers, so I was really happy to get these jobs. The good thing about not being too busy is when you get these add-on services, you're not under pressure to get them done and you can learn from it. So use this time wisely when you're starting out, just to get stuck in there, take on all sorts of jobs, so you can learn as fast as you can. You'll also start to figure out with these add-on services that a lot of them start to become seasonal, so you'll expect them certain times of the year and getting yourself prepared for these busy times. But remember, your window cleaning is all year round, so you want to be able to build this up so you can have a good income every month. And all these add-on services are just what they are, add-on services, and they help boost your income. What you'll find is over time you'll build up a good rapport with your customers. They'll get to know you, you'll get to know them, and they'd rather see you do the extra add-on services than someone they don't know and don't trust. And also, as you build up your window cleaning round, you've got more possibilities of more customers who are going to ask you for these extra services. Other add-on services that I was interested in providing was pressure washing, so cleaning driveways and patios, but I didn't have enough money to start getting all that sort of equipment, and I haven't got the knowledge. And to be fair, now I'm so busy with my window cleaning, I wouldn't actually have time to do all the pressure washing. And I've also picked up that when certain services are dictated by weather, coupled with the fact you're so busy with the window cleaning, it just simply wouldn't work, and I'll end up throwing away money by not getting my window cleaning done, and I'll be letting my customers down, and I've got the possibility then of losing customers. And the same's going for roof cleaning, where you get all the moss off the roofs by using scraping methods and chemicals like biocide, or you're going to do it with your pressure washing equipment. There's loads of possibilities out there, but for me I'm simply just too busy cleaning the windows. I have been asked these questions though, do I clean roofs? I have gone out and bought the equipment because I've had to go on my own roof, so I had nothing to lose there. And for a couple of customers, I have done their garage roof, and so far it's all been good results. So it is something I'm toying the idea with, but I'm just simply too busy with my window cleaner. So what I've learnt there is you can't provide too many add-on services because you're taking it away from your primary service and your primary income. It's definitely something to think long and hard about. But what some people do is they start window cleaning but leave a lot of opportunity there for add-on services like pressure washing or the roof scraping because that's the way they want to go. So perhaps they have 1 week a month booked out for window cleaning and then they've got the other 3 weeks free for these add-on services when they get them. But the problem is windows are like every month or every 2 months and a regular, whereas when you do the big jobs like the roof cleans or the pressure washing, it could be one-off or like a yearly job, except for the roofs obviously because they could be every 5 years. If you are going to go down that route of window cleaning say for 1 week a month and leaving the other 3 weeks free for other exterior services, you know you're going to be pretty busy in the summer months and you're going to have to work and save your money, so for the quieter months over winter you've got something to fall back on and your window cleaning that you have got is just helping you tick over. So in summary then, add-on services are a great way of boosting your income for window cleaning, and what you'll find is these add-on services are probably going to be seasonal and you can anticipate year after year how it's going to go and tweak things so your window cleaning works perfect. For me, Monday to Friday I do all my window cleaning and any add-on jobs or big jobs I leave for a Saturday. Now everyone's different, circumstances are different, so some people might stay away from add-on services and just stick with the window cleaning because for them it all works.